This is a review of cordless pressure washer. Let's go ahead and open it and see what we have inside the box. We have a good case. It is very sturdy. And we're gonna open it this way. This is from Handyman. Here is the user manual. 5-meter long water hose, water filter, and bottle connector, hose adapter. Here is the battery. This is 21 volt removable foam bottle adapter. This is the second battery. This is 6-in-1 multifunction nozzle. Here we have cordless pressure washer. And we can put the battery. We have all the stuff here. Right now, if you want to use foam, basically you're just gonna take it out and put some inside and close it. This is only for water and it has 6 options. We're just gonna go ahead and check it out. Here is the filter. One side is gonna be from the filter for the water, right there, and the other side is gonna be right here. Let's open this area, put it inside well, and then screw it. Now it's good. We can go ahead and put it right there, and we're gonna test the water. If you want to take it out, just pull it and take it out. If you only want to use this, you can also put this right there. Then again, put it there. It is locked right now. Let's go ahead and test it on my car. Foam first. It is working perfectly. Let's use water only. Now it's only water. Let's see how it's working. It has different options. And look at that. The beginning. I can definitely suggest this product because it has 2 batteries and you don't have to have water source like you're using from the faucet. You can only use this water to clean your car or whatever you want to clean. I like this machine is because you can use the foam option like that and you have 6 options right there. Go ahead and use it. Here is the result. If you want to use regular hose, you're just gonna take this out and remove it. Then you can put this right there, and then you're just gonna put this right here and put the water sprayer, and we're gonna go ahead and put the regular hose there. Put this aside and go ahead and put it right there. Now that's good.